surrounded by farm fields. 108 Honda folks are building supercars in rural Ohio. The glass doors exiting the Performance Manufacturing Center, PMC, lobby located near Pottersburg, Ohio, are etched with one huge but inscrutable Japanese kanji character. At the bottom, the word Dream decodes that message for those fortunate enough to pass through this portal to the plant floor. Dream says it all. That word is stitched throughout Honda's and Acura's history because it concisely defines founder Soichiro Honda's spirit. Successfully passed down to the Bakai team building new Acura NSXs. Acura NSX Factory Tour Inline 1 Honda became the world's largest motorcycle brand in 1959, only a decade after introducing the Dream D-Type, the first product designed entirely in-house. What better time to borrow $1 million from Japan's Ministry of Finance to set up shop in the land of the free? Against the wishes of another Japanese ministry, that of International Trade and Industry, Honda progressed from 2 to 4 wheels in 1963. Continuing its global migration, Honda built a factory in Ohio to manufacture CR250 Elsinore dirt bikes in 1979, shortly after the first motorcycle powered off the U.S. assembly line. A fax to headquarters in Japan urged, proceed with auto production. Accord manufacturing commenced in 1982, years before other Japanese brands began building complete vehicles here, forging ahead of the curve. Honda launched the first Japanese luxury brand in 1986 with Acura Integras and Legends. 5 years later, Acura shot a missile across Ferrari's bow by introducing the NSX, Japan's first supercar. Acura NSX Factory Tour Inline 2 Mr. Honda celebrated the NSX's 1989 introduction but died in 1991. Well before this dream car left production in 2005, copious tears shed for the loss of these two icons ensured that the NSX eventually would return, while Ferrari and other supercar makers remain in Acura's gunsight. The new NSX's PMC is near a town with a zip code but not so much as a post office.